Ever wondered which oils are the healthiest for cooking and food preparation? Well, there's more to it than meets the eye. A healthy oil should be rich in beneficial fats, low in harmful ones, and should suit your cooking method. Whether you're grilling, stir-frying, or drizzling over a salad, the kind of oil you use can significantly impact the nutritional value of your dish. So, are you ready to give your meals a healthful twist? Let's delve into 5 of the healthiest oils you can consider for your kitchen. Starting with the champion of healthy oils, extra virgin olive oil. It's the superstar of the Mediterranean diet, derived from the first pressing of olives. This makes it the least processed form of olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats that can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Extra virgin olive oil is also a treasure trove of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a fantastic choice for drizzling over salads or for low to medium heat cooking. Now let's talk about avocado oil. Sourced from the flesh of avocados, this oil is another excellent source of monounsaturated fats, supporting heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. Plus, it's packed with vitamin E and other antioxidants promoting skin health. With a high smoke point, avocado oil is versatile, perfect for high-heat cooking methods like grilling and stir-frying. Whether you're drizzling over salads or stir-frying your favorite veggies, these oils can be a great choice. Next on our list, we have the increasingly popular coconut oil. Bursting onto the scene with its unique composition, coconut oil is a darling of health enthusiasts. Its medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, are effortlessly metabolized by our bodies, providing a quick energy boost. Plus, it's packed with lauric acid, known for its antimicrobial properties. Surprisingly, despite its high saturated fat content, the type of fat in coconut oil may have neutral or even beneficial effects on heart health. It's a versatile oil, great for medium heat cooking, baking, and even as a butter substitute in your favorite recipes. Moving on, let's talk about walnut oil. This oil, extracted from walnuts, is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health and reducing bodily inflammation. It's also rich in antioxidants and vitamin E. Its delicate nutty flavor shines in salad dressings, dips, and as a finishing oil for dishes, although it's not recommended for high-heat cooking. From baking delights to creating flavorful dressings, these oils bring both health and taste to the table. Last, but certainly not least, we have flaxseed oil. An excellent source of essential omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, flaxseed oil is known for promoting heart health and brain function and reducing inflammation. However, it's sensitive to heat and light, hence best used as a finishing oil for dishes or added to smoothies and salad dressings post-cooking. Remember, while these oils offer health benefits, moderation is key. So use them wisely as part of a balanced diet and enjoy the flavors and health benefits they bring to your meals.